Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so Brett, once again, we have a potential 5 waves here, or we also have, yeah, I did count this as a 1, so it's A, B, C for the 1, and this was an A overshooting wave B, and this is the C. I don't know what happened. I think I already did the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. We must be reaching the 1.618, I believe. Even more now, unfortunately. Would have been helpful to choose the C wave first. $1.618. If I go and look for the 2, okay, not sure what happened there. Okay, so yeah, okay, so almost reached the 1.618. This would be one level I would be very attentive at. So 0.034654. Okay, so yeah, that's the level I'm going to wait, check for a reaction. Now we need something there, because otherwise we cannot keep going much lower. I would say if we go below that one, we still have a, another fib retracement that we can look at it. It's the 0.786. Let me check here. Yeah, okay, so this is for the 5 waves here in yellow. And actually, honestly, I believe more into this, the other one. Let me see here. So what I'm doing now, I'm just checking the fib retracement for this wave 2, but for this color here, the light green. So it's pretty much the same. It doesn't really matter, so I'm going to remove it then. Okay, so now you know we have the 1.618 next level to check, or the 0.786. Those are the 2 levels for a moment I'm going to check. If we go below that, well, we do have the 2x and the 0.886 fib retracement, but this should be something that the price is just go and visit, just for a quick visit and then bounce back. We don't want price to be for an extended period of time, or otherwise it's going to, I don't want to say wipe out, but reduce substantially the probabilities that this is going to react indeed as a wave 2, either count. Okay, so this it's pretty much all I wanted to share with you with that. Let me go and check maybe meme coins. I want to go and check the Toshi. How is it holding out? So once again, I 1, 2, and this, because we're having a diagonal, this is also a B, C. I believe the third wave is finished now, and we are working still onto this A wave, or maybe this was the A, B, C. Still unclear. Let me go and check here just to be sure. Don't want to make mistake. Okay, so this is the fib retracement of this third wave. You can see we went a little bit lower, and now we're back at exactly the 0.382, so 66,782 with 30 in front. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. We do have the 0.5, but we also have here the MA50 that's, rejoining the level now, so that should kind of appease the price. In a case price break out or break below the MA50, so we have the 0.5 and also we have the 0.618, so we still have a lot of room to go, and this is the MA 200 that you can see it's climbing up slowly. So eventually it's going to join the 0.618. Hopefully, if we need to go there, hopefully the price is going to go and give a chance to the EMA 200 to rejoin the 0.618, which is going to make a strong support in theory. Very important to add in theory. Let me remove some levels here so it's a little bit cleaner. I could remove it, but for the moment I leave it. And then emule. So it did take quite of a beating. I do count this as well. I don't count this initial movement. I start from here. So this is A, B, C for a wave 1. This is a long wave 2. We are reaching lower levels now. Price shouldn't go below 0.001255120, or this is going to look bad. So Brett, we did it. Okay, Pepe. So this is a 3. Okay, let me see here. So we had a A, B, C. This is very short term, right? So all this could be just the A, honestly. So this could be just the A. This is the B ongoing and still going to do the C. And actually I had it here, didn't I? Oh well. Yeah, okay, so I believe this is the A, this is the B. I guess this is the fib retracement of that. So I'm going to put it in orange. I'm going to remove that now. And yeah, so if this is the A and this looks like, yeah, pretty much 3 wave down, right? A, B, and a C. So now we are waiting for this possible C wave to the upside. And once again, this C wave, I mean, we could look into an A, a B, and after that 5 waves up, or just 5 waves up. We're going to see eventually. Or if we keep going lower, then we're going to invalidate everything and it's not going to look good. Invalidate the 5th wave, I'm meaning. So if we go much lower than that, then I will have no other choice to say that this was the A. We did over shooting a B wave, and now we are going to do the C for this 4th wave in white, because we do have a lot of room left. And on top of that, I could even add one extra layer here because it's a diagonal, so we have a lot of room to go if it needed. Let me move that around a little bit. So that's it. Let me remove that also because it's a little bit annoying. And the chain GPT, not looking good, is it? Yeah, so this was a possible 5 way up. You can see now with the drop, forget about it. I could say once again, and this is catchy. This could have been an A, a B, and a C. Very nice, but and once again, because this was an A, a B, and a C, so this maybe just was the A, this was the B, and we're still going to go and make a C. Let me go and check here what is exactly that one. And honestly, I'm not sure, okay? I need to be honest. I'm not sure I should count this as a 1, and perhaps I should count this as a 1, and perhaps that a 2. And I would like maybe to put this scenario here, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. for sure now we need to change the color. I'm going to put that in green because I think now this, the way it's reacting, I do believe this is it start to become my main scenario here. Okay, wave 2. It's already in green. Amazing. I'm going to move it a little bit on the side. I'm going to remove the 0.5 because anyway I already reached those levels. Okay, so now we do have some levels here. Now once again, if we go below 0.06475, then we're going to jeopardize the probabilities of this bullishness of this chart. And Flocky is very long time. I'm just doing the ones that they're reacting well today. Okay, so I could count this as A, B, C. I'm going to clean the chart. That's a very long time. I didn't do any chart on this one. So Flocky, possible 1. I would say wave 2 is still working on it. And let me do a fib retracement. So this is like a very quick analysis on this one. As you can see, I didn't do much, right? So just to give you an idea. So it did react to 0.5. The question now is this finished or not? You know, if I do a little bit of digging, I could call this a B, C for the wave A. Okay, so well, I can see a 3 wave up, so I could say this is the B, or maybe this is the WX, and this is the Y, and the Y will have an A, a B, and a C. So it does look more like that. And WX, Y, and the Y is a B. And now let me see here. It could be this is just the 1, 2. All this was the 3. Possibly now it's doing the 4 and still going for another lower low. We shall see. Let's do Shib since we're there. Well, Shib still, yeah, pressure to the downside. It can still go much lower. So actually can reduce by 50% the price, right? To the 1-to-1 ratio without invalidating anything. Well, it would invalidate this wave 2 here, which we would have just to misplace it or relocate it to here. But for the moment, I'm going to leave it there. But it's, yeah, you know, here it went so low that I'm pretty confident now that this is going to be the count. Mew, okay, that's a holy cow. It was doing great before, and now you can see that officially invalidated this one. I do have a little bit of Mew, so sorry to me. And okay, the last one, Mug. ABC, I went anyway for this one. We kind of fell short, I think. Let me refocus here a little bit. Okay, so 1, 2, possible 3. Then we have the 4 and the 5. Oh, okay, so we do have actually kind of 5 waves, even though the 5th wave wasn't that great. And this could be the bigger pullback now. Okay, let me reduce a little bit. And I guess this was wave 1 and 3. Okay, so yeah, usually this is the first target for the 5th wave, so we did reach that one. And so I'm going to remove that. That was in the case we were doing an extension. So now I can say that this actually completed 5 waves. Yeah, okay, so now if I take the fib retracement of all this movement, these are the levels. I could add the 0.382 just to see if price can react to that level. We are not there yet, so even though it could still be possible that we go a little bit higher. And this was the A, this was you know, let me redo it. This was the A, this is the A, B, C for the B, and we're going to do the C for this fourth wave. If we stay within these levels here, then it would be still possible. But if we go lower, then bottom line scenario would be that we should be going in a little bit lower, higher. So, but first we need to go a little bit lower. Okay, so that's pretty much all for today for these meme coins. If you have others, let me know, drop them in the comments, and I'm going to try to analyze them. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.